In this video, we're going to give you an introduction to the Narrate CG tool covering the following areas: where to find the tool, viewing account data, how to add new clients, and how to download reports. To access the tool, search for the client account, then click on the Tools and Reports drop-down from the Wrap Summary and Account Summary views. In the Client Summary panel, there's a list of all general or gross general accounts the client has, with the Unrealised Gains button selected by default. This panel displays each account's non-cash holdings, total acquisition cost, realised gain or loss for the current tax year, and total unrealised gain or loss. For joint accounts, gain-loss figures displayed are 50% of the account total, reflecting each client's personal liability. To calculate a realised gain, just click this button. You'll notice the Client Summary panel changes to display the data related to realised gains or losses made in the current tax year. This data includes the total value of disposals made on the account, the total acquisition costs of the disposals, any net gain-loss incurred as a result, and the total number of disposals made. You can change the date range with the option to select the last tax year or any other custom range required. To view account data, select the checkbox at the end of an account's row to display information on the assets held within the account, which is shown in the account panel below. By default, this checkbox will always be selected when only one general or gross general account is held by the client. The data displayed in this account panel will differ depending on whether the Unrealised Gain or Realised Gain button has been selected at the top of the Client Summary panel. Columns that have a small triangle next to their header can be sorted by clicking anywhere on the column header and by clicking anywhere on an asset's row. Capital gains applicable transactions on that asset will be displayed in an expanded table below the row. When viewing realised gains, only transactions from the selected date range are displayed. In both cases, if more transactions exist on the asset, a Show All Transactions checkbox can be clicked to expand the list completely, displaying all capital gains applicable transactions on the asset. The other option visible when expanding an asset is the Edit button. For further information on this, please check out the dedicated video on editing transactions, which is available on the Support tab. The Narrate CG tool allows you to display capital gains data for multiple clients and to include those clients in downloadable reports. To do this, go to the desired account, then click the Add Clients button. Search for clients using their first name, surname, or client reference number beginning 100. The search will begin as soon as characters are entered. Clicking on a result will load that client into the Client Summary panel, and again, if any joint account holders are selected, both clients will appear in the panel. Up to 3 more clients can be added this way, and they do not need to be linked. To remove a previously added client from the Client Summary panel, click on the orange X icon which appears next to their name and client reference. In Narrate CG, you can download 3 different types of report. The first, which is the PDF report, generates a PDF document that contains all the details from both the top Client Summary panel and any selected account panels below. Only those accounts that have been selected using the checkbox at the end of the row will appear in the PDF report. The second report option, CSV report, generates a CSV format Excel spreadsheet file. This report contains only the account panel information, and again, only accounts with the Select checkbox ticked will be included in this report. Finally, the full history report is another CSV format Excel spreadsheet file, but this time it will contain a complete capital gains transaction history for all accounts displayed in the Client Summary panel. With this report, all accounts listed for the clients displayed will be included in the report, regardless if their Select checkbox is ticked or not. For a full breakdown of all the information available on each of the reports, please see the Narrate CG user guide on the platform library. And to learn more about the Narrate CG tool, please check out our other videos available on the Support tab.